Hello, welcome to my channel and welcome to the next part of my HoBao DC1 build series. Step 33 involves putting on the wheels and tires. So the DC1 kit comes with a set of 5 tires and a set of 5 wheels. And the wheels are plastic glue-on wheels. And these are the tires. So I am probably going to go with not using these wheels and using some aftermarket beadlocks like these. What I don't know yet is whether or not I'm going to use these tires. These tires don't look like they're going to be too well performing. They look nice, but they probably don't have the necessary softness or type of tread for crawling. They come with, you know, your usual foams as well, but for this build video series I'll go ahead and put these wheels and tires together and we'll go from there. Alright, so as I've said, these are glue-on wheels. Usually you would glue the bead onto the wheels, but until I figure out what I'm going to do, I'm not going to do that. And let's go ahead and mount this to the truck. Using some MIP tools. And let's mount the spare tire. That completes step 33. Thanks for watching.